Today I'm checking out the Sony ULT Power Sound ULT Field 1. Quite a mouthful of a name there, and today I'm going to be unboxing it and checking out and seeing if this thing is worth around the $130 price tag. So jumping into this box, it's nice clean branding on the outside. Pop it open here. Get a nice little quick start guide on how to connect, and there's a little QR code to install the app. I like this nice cloth packaging. So here is the Bluetooth speaker itself. It's quite nice and quite has a nice well-built feeling to it. I like the little paracord strap here to carry it around or strap it on things. It's got two subwoofers on either end of it, and then the main speakers inside here as well. On top, we get a power button, Bluetooth button, play, pause, answer phone call button, volume down, volume up, and then the alt button, which is ultimate button, I believe, that basically boosts things like bass and stuff like that. I'm going to get into that further later on in the review. Under this nice thick rubber waterproof cap, we have the USB Type-C plug for charging the device up. And if I have my information right, I believe you can pair these together with multiple of these for more of a stereo or surround sound type setup. Also in the box, we get our instruction manual and quick start guide. We get a USB Type A to USB Type-C charging cable, and that looks to be everything in there. So let's see if this thing has any charge in it. It's got a nice little chime to it when it starts up, and this is also your power indicator / charge indicator, little LED light here, and then the Bluetooth light has a little blue LED light for pairing mode and when it's connected as well. And there you can turn alt mode on and off, and there is also an app for this as well to control things like EQ and different sound profiles as well. I'm going to get this connected to a device and see how this thing sounds. So this speaker sounds really fantastic. For $130, this thing is an absolute banging deal. It has a lot of bass. Definitely want to turn the alt mode on if you are a bass head. There's not a lot of bass at all with that turned off, but the fact that you get that option is pretty cool. Now, it says in the instruction manuals that you can use the Sony Sound Connect app to control EQ and stuff. Unfortunately, I was not able to get this thing to connect to the app at all. I tried factory resetting the speaker, uninstalling the app, reinstalling the app, all sorts of things, and it just would not pick this thing up in the app. So that's unfortunate. I was expecting a lot more from Sony. I expected a much more seamless experience. So unfortunately, I can't show you guys the app just because I can't get this thing to connect to it. But I can get it to connect to Bluetooth. I'm not sure what's going on. It like immediately connects to Bluetooth, but not the app. So kind of weird and a little annoying for a product coming from such a reputable brand like Sony not working properly. That being said, again, this thing just sounds fantastic. It's an absolute banging deal for $130, and I highly recommend if you want a solid, very portable Bluetooth speaker that just sounds amazing, kind of on a budget. You know, this thing sounds really good for the price point. I did also forget to mention that not only is it super durable with the rubber kind of casing on the ends here, so it should be pretty well protected from drops, but it is also waterproof as well. IP67 rated waterproofing on this, so you should be good to dunk it in some water if that accidentally happens. So pretty durable little speaker. So if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourself, I will leave a link down in the description below for you guys to check it out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.